Okay, my name is Doug Bird, and I teach at Xi'an International Studies University. I taught public speaking to, there was usually 30 students in my class, so class size is kind of the limiting factor for most of us. But when I was deciding how I was going to do this, I realized that public speaking, the only way you get good at it, like most things in life, is practice. So I really thought hard, how am I going to get 30 students to give speeches as often as I can in a semester? And so I decided to divide the class up into 4 groups, and I call them color groups. And so each week, and I made a schedule, and then each week 2 of the groups would be giving speeches, and at the same time in the first hour, we organized the room. One would go this way, the other one would come this way, and then the other 2 groups would be working on listening and filling out a helpful feedback form, to where when the speeches were all done, I would write up on the board their name next to the speeches, because they didn't know which order they were going to speak in. And I would write their name up next to the speaker, and that's who they would give feedback to the entire group, the entire class. So this way, each week, all the students were speaking. They were either giving a extemporaneous speech that they had an assigned topic that they could prepare for, or they were giving an impromptu speech on the speech that they had listened to and had recorded feedback on. So it worked out pretty well. They improved a lot in their speaking. Thanks.